the bell icon to get a notifications.
Breakfast is a healthy meal. When you eat a healthy breakfast, it keeps your immunity up throughout the day.
So today we are going to make a pancake
with a twist.
And the twist is that there is no flour and it's going to be made with bananas.
For this dish, there are only 2 ingredients.
And both are super healthy.
The ingredients are banana and eggs. So first you take the banana, you peel it. And then after you peel the banana, you cut it into small pieces and then you put it in the bowl and smash them.
So then you start mashing them.
So now let's break the egg. So take an egg, crush it, and then you do same with the other one. Take it, you smash it, and then pour it in the banana.
Now it's almost done. And when it becomes this consistency, and you can adjust by putting more banana or more egg, whichever is required.
So now as it is done, we are going to make pancakes out of it.
Now we are in the kitchen and let's start making our pancakes. So first take a non-stick pan, heat it up, and then brush some oil on it. Like that.
First see if bubbles come. If bubbles comes, then only that means it's cooked. And then you remove it and put it in the pan.
As you can see, the bottom is cooked and now we flip it over.
Now as it is done, we put it in a plate. Ta-da! So here are our pancakes and we have used different toppings. So we have used peanut butter, dabur honey, custard sugar and we have used cinnamon powder.
So it's really healthy and keeps your energy and immunity high if you have it in breakfast. And mummies, listen, children love it. So this is a really simple recipe, easy to make, and it's so delicious. Thank you so much, and please do join.
Give me a thumbs up
Subscribe
and comment down
below.
Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how to make a cake. Now you can smell.
Wow. So now you know what you have to do? Like and subscribe to our channel.
And comment down below.
And ask your friends and family to watch our videos and like them and subscribe them. Thank you.